In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy coins before they're officially listed on Binance. This process can be exciting and potentially profitable, but it's important to understand exactly how it works and the risks involved. Let's dive right in and explore the methods available through Binance, specifically focusing on pre-market, launch pool, and launchpad features. When we talk about buying tokens before they're officially listed on Binance, we're essentially looking at three main avenues. First, there's the Binance pre-market. This feature allows you to trade certain tokens before they make their debut on the spot market. Typically, these tokens originate from launch pool projects. Next, there's the launch pool itself. With launch pool, you can stake specific tokens like BNB or stablecoins to earn new tokens from projects slated for future listing. Sometimes, these tokens become tradable during the pre-market phase before they are fully listed. Lastly, we have the Launchpad, which offers token sales where you can subscribe to new token issues or initial exchange offerings before they're traded openly. Now, let's go through the preparation process for buying a coin before it gets listed on Binance. The first thing you need to do is check your eligibility and regional restrictions. The pre-market feature isn't available everywhere. Some regions like the United States, Canada, Japan, and Spain are not eligible for pre-market trading. Also, ensure that your Binance account is fully verified, as most of these offerings require you to complete identity verification or KYC. Staying informed is crucial, so watch for new project announcements. Binance regularly updates their announcements page, social media channels, and the launch pool section on their app or site. These announcements will inform you when staking begins, which tokens are involved, and any details relevant to the pre-market trading phase. If the project you're interested in is part of a launch pool, you'll need to stake the appropriate tokens, such as BNB or stablecoins, for a specified period. During this time, you'll start earning rewards in the form of the new project tokens. Once you've accrued these, they might become tradable during the pre-market phase. When the pre-market opens, head to the special tab under Spot Trading labeled Pre-Market. This is where you'll find tokens eligible for pre-listing trading. If your desired token appears, simply click on the trading pair to proceed. Keep in mind that there are usually restrictions in place, such as maximum holding limits, during the pre-market phase. If you've already earned tokens through Launch Pool, these will contribute toward your limit. Also, remember you may not be able to withdraw or transfer the tokens until they're officially listed. Proceed with caution as you purchase your tokens during the pre-market. Be prepared for potential volatility and limited liquidity, as prices can fluctuate rapidly when many buyers are eager to enter the market. Once the pre-market phase concludes, usually 4 hours before the official listing, the market opens fully. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to deposit, withdraw, and transfer tokens, with more trading likely increasing market competition. Lastly, always weigh your potential profits against the inherent risks. While many investors aim to capitalize on possible price surges post-listing, there's always a chance the price could decline if market sentiment doesn't pick up.